In this short video, we'll show you how to read a Cochrane review. Start with the title and authors, where you'll find key details including contact information for the corresponding author. You can also see the version history to check you're looking at the latest version. The first section of the review is the abstract, often available in multiple languages. This is a short summary of the key aspects of the review and is mainly aimed at researchers and other users familiar with the scientific methodology. For a snapshot of the review, head to the PICOs, which outline the population, intervention, comparison, and outcome of the review question. The next section, often most important to patients and public, is the plain language summary, also available in different languages. It sums up the review into easy-to-understand terms. The author conclusions highlight the key findings and potential impacts on practice and research. Next, you can take a look at the summary of findings, which sums up the results of the review and includes assessment of the certainty of evidence. You can learn more about this table in the next module titled Understanding and Using Systematic Reviews. The body of a Cochrane review starts with a background, which puts the research question into context. The background section gives an interesting overview of the topic you are exploring. This section is followed by the objectives, which set out concisely what the researchers wanted to find out. The methods section gives a detailed account of how the review was carried out. There are many procedures and considerations described in this section, most of which are useful primarily for researchers and other experts to judge the quality of the review. The results section describes the studies included in the review. The effects of the intervention are presented in greater detail. This includes tables and forest plots, which are visual representations of the results of meta-analysis. You can learn more about the forest plots in the next module titled Understanding and Using Systematic Reviews. In the discussion section, you can find a summary of the main results, how they can be applied, and how confident we can be in these results. There are other elements of a Cochrane review: figures and tables, references, and various additional information that some users may find important or interesting. Even though some sections of the review might not interest you, at the very least they show how thorough and exhaustive the Cochrane review process is.